Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you guys how I decorated my bathroom with Dollar Tree DIY craft items. Now this was the frame that I bought from a Dollar Tree and these were from Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna show you how this is done. Super easy. This was something that I did with Dollar Tree items and then just a couple of the seashell that I already have on hand. So these rub-on transfer can be purchased at the Dollar Tree along with those refillable bottles, the ceramic ones. They're wonderful. They have different colors, but of course white is my favorite, so I'm gonna get those and put the words that I like on top. And the great thing about this is you can just scratch them off and restart over if you don't like the words. I don't think I have enough time to invest in a Cricut, but I know many of other mamas do, and it's great. But if you don't have the funds for it, if you don't have the time for it, it's best to just buy something simple like the rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree. So all these frames were purchased at the dollar store, and I just printed out these funny phrases that I really like. All you have to do is just print it out from your computer, use any kind of font you like, and then insert them into the frames. You can put it behind the glass, in front of the glass, it doesn't matter. I just inserted it in because it was easy for me. Now, the dream frame is from Dollar Tree and they don't have anywhere you can insert them. So I just put it on top of it and it worked for me great. Those were for Amelia's first birthday craft. I also did the okay Google do the laundry, but I used it in the laundry room, of course. So let me show you how this is done and then how the overall result looked like. And that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can change up the look however you like, but the basic stuff were all from Dollar Tree. Alright, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!